Oh, welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn SQLite database connection with Android. First, create a new project, file, new Android application project. Application name. My application name is Android database demo. Android database demo. And my project name is Android database demo. Package name com.android database demo. Just click on next. No need to change here. Next, blank activity. Next, here my activity name is main activity, layout name activity main. Finish. It will create a default main activity.java activity main XML. Here we have a hello world label. Just delete this label. And I have to place two edit text at here. First one, second one, and I am going to place it 3 buttons. Button 1, button 2, button 3. I'll just save it, and I'm opening this activity main XML. This edit text named as name. And this is email, and buttons, this is save, and button text also save. DT, this is clear, and button text also clear, and this is load, and button text also load. Let's save this one and open graphical layout. Oh, it has disturbed. Just rearrange it. Just leave it, save it. Open main activity.java. In this we have to declare 2 buttons at here. Button, save, load, clear. I have to import a button as well as edit text. Edit text name, comma email. As well as import this edit text. import edit text, and we are going to initialize that save button and load button, clear button, and name edit text and email edit text. First, save equal to find view by id. Here id is dot id dot save. Just typecast, this is button type, then typecast it to button type, as well as clear button, save the clear, as well as load button or dot id dot load, is same as text fields also, edit text also. Here first edit text is name or dot id dot name. We have to cast it just like edit text. Second edit text is email or dot id dot email. Save it. That's it. Now we are going to create a new class file, new Java class file, that is data handler. Click on this package, create new class, name is data handler. Data handler, just click on finish. It has created a empty class. We have to declare some variables here. We have to declare a name variable, as well as email, table name, database name, and database version, and a table create. That's all. Public static final string name equal to name. Second one is email. Email. Table name. Here table name is my table. As well as database name. Here database name is my database. database version. Here database version is integer data type, so it is int. Database version, here it is 1. And as well as table create query. For this, first named as it table create. Here the table create query is create table my table. Here my table is my table name with the field name is a text type and it is not null. And second one is email also. Emails are also text type and it is not null. Now we are going to create another inner class database handler. In the outer class data handler, inner class is database handler. For this, private static class database handler here I have named database helper. It is extends from default SQLite open helper. SQLite open helper. Here we have to add two unimplemented methods. That is, first one is on create and second one is on upgrade. And we are creating one constructor at here. That is public database helper. This is a constructor. For this constructor we have to pass a parameter, that is context ctx. And this we have to create a we have to call super class constructor, that is SQLite helper constructor at here. we have to pass parameters. First is this ctx, and second one is database name. We have already declared at top database name is my database. Third word is null, and fourth one is database version. This one. We have just created a constructor for this database helper, and we have passed a argument context. In this constructor we have called this super class constructor using this super method. For this super method we have passed 4 parameter. First one is context, this one, and second one is database name, and third one is null parameter, and fourth one is database version. We have to create here a database argument. SQLightDatabase DB, and as well as argument for this database class, object for this database class, database helper DB helper, as well as context ctx. And we have to create another constructor for this database handler. Public database handler. For this database handler also we have to pass a argument, that is context ctx. Just pause. This dot ctx equal to ctx. Just we have assigned this value, this ctx value to this ctx value. Now we have to create a database database table. If maybe a use case that already database will existed, if we run this program second time, that's why first we have to drop the table if it is exist. For that we have to use this upgrade method. In this upgrade method, db dot drop table if exists. Table name is my table. Sorry. And we have to call this on create method again at here. On create db, we will pass this db object to here. Now create a table at here. db dot execute SQL. The table create query, we have already initialized the table created here. Sorry. The table create query. There is a possibility for exception for this, for that. Put it into a try clutch bag. SQL exception, named it as E. That print stack tree. That's enough. Now we have to create a open method and close method, insert method. We have developed that methods outside of this inner class. This is inner class, and now we have to going to create that method set here. Public return type is data handler, and the method name is open. Okay, it asking for return type. We will declare that later. db equal to db helper dot get writable database. It will open the database and return the database. Return db. Instead of return db, return this. Next we have to open close that database. For closing that database, here the return type is void and the method name is close. close. That's enough. Next we have to create a method insert data. Public. The return type is long and method name is insert data. Here we will pass two arguments, string name, second one is string email. We have to create a content values. Content values content equal to new content values. Content dot put here. First one is key. Here key is name and second one is value. Here value is name. Just it and put second value. Second one is email and second value is email. Return db dot insert dot throw. Insert dot throw table name. Here we have to pass three parameters. First one is table name, second one is null, third one is context. Here our table name is my table and second one is null and third one is content. That's it. We have to create another method, public cursor return data. We have to import that cursor data type, cursor package, and here return db dot query db dot query. First one is table name, this one. First one is table name second one is parameters of all those are string name, email, sorry, here it is null, null. This database, this database handler.java has completed almost all. Here we have a small problem, string, here we have to initialize this one, s.1, that's it. And we have to open this main activity.java. In this main activity.java we have to implement methods or on click methods for this save button, clear button and load button. For that, save dot set on click listener new on click listener. Yes, this one is correct. We have to import this. For this Android dot sorry for this we have to import another method, that is Android v.v. on click listener. Okay, that's it. We have to create same as this is clear button, this is load button. That's it. At next tutorial we have to watch how to load data into database, how to clear that edit text fields, and how to load data from the database. Thank you for watching.